Hey guys, AF Garage here. Back with another S10 video. This time we're on to fixing things instead of a travel video. The problem today is the parking brake. It's around. You really will not be able to see, but the parking brake. Oh, there you go. You engage it, it doesn't stay engaged, and this lever isn't stuck, so it's a problem I'm gonna have to find out. So you guys are coming along with me today and finding out. Next up on the list of things, you gotta grab, small wrench, maybe an extension, and I heard it's a 7mm because we have to remove these bolts and this panel to be able to get back up into there. It's hard to see. Okay, so I just got finished with it because I was just trying to get it done, and then now I can explain to you what I did. So there are these two bolts at the bottom, which are 1/2 inch, and then there's a 1/2 inch nut that you have to go over the wiring harness. You can't even really see it, but it's back there. You pull that off, this whole mechanism can then snake its way down here. There is one connector on this harness. Let's see. It's right here. You'll see it when you're pulling this out. That you just have to unclip because it's a grounding strap to the mechanism. Once the mechanism is now pulled down here, you can, I just WD-40'd into, there's a little slit in it. In, like, the top of it, there's a little slit. You spray some WD-40 down there and you bang it with a screwdriver. I'm not kidding you, that is what I did. And now, my parking brake stays. So, that's all you gotta do. That's gonna hurt. And then it pops back up. I don't know if it's actually supposed to make a ratcheting mechanism, but it works now. It seems to work. And then you just, put it back on the stud at the top and then line up the bolts. You put the bolts in and you tighten things down, which I'm not done yet, but then you put the panel on, which I'll, walk through that in a second. But yeah. So comment down below if you need any help. I know I didn't really walk through it very well, but I'm explaining it after I did it, now that I know how to do it, and hope that I can help someone else. Now, once you get it bolted in, you get to put this panel back in underneath there with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts and nuts. But I'm going to clean it first, so here we go. And here is the afterwards. Now, this needs to go down there. And I'll catch you guys once that's bolted in place. Oh, don't forget, well, I didn't say it beforehand, but you can take the, what's the port called? OBD2 port out. Just, 2 bolts. Pushes it through here. And then you can pull this panel all the way out. And then it's just the 2 bolts putting it back in. And like that, while there are vehicles driving by. Noisy people. Got all the screws in. Brake is done. Got the OBD2 port put in. At least I think it's an OBD2 port. Fairly certain. Got everything done. Time to put the tools away, and yeah. AF Garage signing out. Hope everybody has a good, rest of the year or whatnot. So God, these vehicles are just so loud. Just trying to say goodbye to y'all. Like, share, subscribe, whatnot. Please, actually share it on forums or Facebook pages, because, most people are like, no, you gotta replace it. No, it's fixable. I don't know if it's permanent, but it's fixable. Hey guys, AF Garage. I don't know where this is gonna be in the videos, but I got bad news. My laptop took a dump, so I'm having to edit off my phone now. So this is gonna take a lot longer to do. That's also why I haven't been posting. I was doing it fairly regularly, and then dropped off, because no laptop right now. Because hard drive got wiped, Windows is gone, I have to somehow get Windows again. I don't want to pay the $120, $100 for Windows. So, cool. If you got any ideas about that, cool. That'd be great. So yeah, no laptop, editing off my phone. It's going to take me a while. Hope everybody's having fun in this year, because I'm not. Oh, my new desktop that I'm building. Yeah, my graphics card that I bought for cheap to hold me off, didn't work, so I have to buy another one. So that's gonna be a while too. I have to get Windows for that computer too. It's great.